Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope so all of you doing well. And in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix headphone jack not working or earphones not connecting problem in Vivo V23e or Vivo V23e 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to fix headphone jack connection problem in Vivo V23 problem, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. This will fix your problem.